Bonjour tout le monde, comment allez-vous? Je pense que tout va bien à votre côté. Aujourd'hui, je vais expliquer comment on peut utiliser because en français pour la TEFCANADA. Commençons. Le premier est parce que. We use parce que usually for writing and speaking also. For example, je vais au marché parce que je voudrais acheter des légumes. I'm going to the market because I would like to purchase some vegetables. This is very common because. Secondly, we can use com. One thing, com can be in the beginning also. We can use com in the initial sentence. Comme il fait beau, nous allons au parc. As it is pleasant, we are going to the park. Puisque. We use puisque when the first person and the second person know the fact. For example, puisque il pleut, je ne vais pas au marché. As you know it's raining, I cannot go outside in the market. Fourth, car. Car is often used for the formal conversation and often with the written conversation. La réunion a été annulée car le président est malade. The reunion was cancelled because the president is sick. Grâce à whenever we are praising for something. Je peux me connecter avec mes amis grâce à la technology. I can connect with my friends grace to the technology. A costa when we are making a curse to something or to someone. Je suis paresseuse à cause de la technology. I'm lazy because of the technology. These are very useful phrases which can be used in your TEF examination so that you can score good marks. And please subscribe to my channel and do have a look on my playlist. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.